Welcome to XING Lighting. Introducing our 668 series outdoor wall light. Crafted with sleek stainless steel, it embodies contemporary style. Transparent glass and unique ring-shaped accents create a mesmerizing illumination effect. Equipped with a built-in sensor, it automatically lights up your outdoor space at night. ETL listed for safety, this outdoor light ensures reliable performance and peace of mind. With its waterproof construction, it effortlessly adapts to any outdoor weather conditions, from rain to snow. Installing our 668 series outdoor wall light is a breeze, making it effortless to bring elegance to your outdoor space. With just a few simple steps, you can easily install this light fixture and start enjoying its illuminating beauty. Inside the packaging, you'll find a detailed instruction manual that provides clear guidance throughout the installation process. Experience the perfect blend of modern design and practicality. Choose the 668 series outdoor wall light and transform your outdoor space. XING Lighting, an expert of outdoor wall lights.